In today's video, we're going to be discussing the one brokerage in the US where top producers are incentivized to help new agents succeed. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Andrew Dunn, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions in real estate for agents and brokers all over North America using my social strategies. And along with my partner, we actually sell homes in Florida in Boca Raton. And also on top of that, we've actually helped over 100 agents cross over $100,000 per year in commission using social strategies. So everything on this channel you're going to learn is actually practice and not theory. So in today's video, we're actually going to be discussing the only brokerage in the whole of the USA where top producers are actually incentivized, right? Actually incentivized to help new agents produce, and not only produce one or two deals, to become top producers themselves. The brokerage I am talking about is, of course, EXP. Now, why is EXP better and the only brokerage that actually helps new agents succeed? So because EXP is a cloud-based brokerage and not a traditional brokerage brick and mortar or franchise model, the agents can be from all over the country, can actually help newer agents win through the revenue share system, right? So think of it this way. With traditional brokerages, this is one of the biggest misconceptions, and this is going to upset people. They go, hey, I want to go into my office. I want to be around top producers. Here's the shot for you. Here's the news headline. Top producers aren't sitting around in offices, and they damn sure aren't helping you succeed. Why? You are literally competing in the exact same market for the exact same deals as they are. And also, top producers are top producers because they're out selling homes. The amount of times we run into people going, yeah, there's loads of top producers in my office. Yeah, they're assigned there. They're not ever there. All the top producers we know literally never, ever go into the offices. They're always out closing deals, right? And we've literally had agents come from, say, KW to join our team. And they were like, yeah, join this. And they had like 10 top producers who were selling 50, 60, 70 homes a year. None of them would tell me anything. It's like, well, yeah, because you're going to be competing against them for those deals that's going to make them the top in their market center, right? This is the problem with the traditional model. With EXP, you can have agents in neighboring cities in the same state, in different states. It could be your sponsor. It could be the people who are training within EXP world who are like, well, the more we help you close deals, if it's your sponsor, well, I get paid in the revenue share program and in stock when you close deals, right? So that they benefit from you closing deals and you grow your business. Everyone else in EXP wants you to close deals because the better EXP does as a whole, because it is a publicly traded company, the more the stock goes up, the more we all make from selling homes because we get paid stock for selling homes, right? It is literally the only model where everybody wants you to win. Even if they're in the same market as you competing for the same homes, there is a ton of teams, an absolute ton of teams at EXP. We're in one in Boca, Saperstein Group, right? Everyone helps each other. Everyone is super collaborative, right? They want you to win, even though technically you compete for the same homes, because ultimately it benefits us all. All right. So if you're interested in joining EXP, if you're interested in joining our organization, getting all our coaching for free, getting to 100K, 200, 300,000 per year or more, then drop a comment down below. There's a link in the description for you to reach out, get in touch with me, jump on the phone with me specifically, right? And we can have a chat about how you can come ahead, join our group, join EXP. We can help you grow your business. All right. So until next time, see you in the next one.